Hello crypto elites and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today guys, we're going to be discussing Vechain and, if we got time, Shiba Inu. So Vechain, pretty much we have been in the upward trajectory since the beginning of this year. We have seen Vechain go from sitting on a price of 1.5 cents, and now we are sitting on about 2.5 cents, which has gone up by 1 cent. So if you would have put $1,000 in at the beginning, or £1,000 in at the beginning of this year, you would pretty much have doubled that. Vechain, we're about to retest a major resistance line. We haven't had a candle close above that since roughly about the 19th of August 2022. We've had wicks above it, but never a candle close on this chart since August last year. So we do have this upward channel, as you can see in here, with also this resistance line there. If we close in the gap, we are looking for potential breakout roughly about the 9th of February. But anything could happen. Like, we could retest this today and we could have a candle close above this line today. Anything's possible, especially the way these charts are looking. Charts are looking really bullish across the board. Vechain is sitting above his 50-day and his 200-day movement average. Majority of the other coins are getting roughly around about this mark. We see, like, if we was comparing this to a Bitcoin and Ethereum chart, both Bitcoin and Ethereum will be sitting roughly around about here, not so far off the 100-week moving average. This is always a price target for me, just being that majority of all of the cryptos have sat above the 100-week moving average throughout the majority of their lifespan, and I don't think it's going to be long before we actually retest this market. So we're sitting on about 2.5 cents at the minute, but a break above this 100-week moving average would take us roughly about to the 7 cent mark. So if you would have invested in at a penny or 1 cent, you would have pretty much had 700% increase in price, which is amazing. And in the grand scheme of things, we have seen Vechain go to the likes of 18 cents. Then we also seen Vechain go to roughly about 30 cents, which is insane profits. I'm not going to sit here and do the math for you, but if you had 100,000 Vechain and say you sold out at around about 30 cents, you're looking potentially roughly around $30,000, and I believe right now you can buy 100,000 Vechain for roughly around about 2,500, maybe a little bit less. So for a small investment, it is massive returns if we do actually see these all-time highs again. But it looks like the average for Vechain, and it keeps retesting this zone, I would say is roughly around about the 14 cent mark. Then we have Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu, we have retested again a major resistance line. We have broke above it. Since then, we have seen wicks to the downside to retest our 200 week moving average. Sorry, 200-day moving average. We have seen wicks below, but we haven't actually seen a candle close below this point. Just wicks back down, but we've made immediate reversals back to the upside. The Shiba Inu, again, I did mention in my last videos that potentially we could see a price increase up to this point at any point when Bitcoin decides to break above its resistance line. The rest of the charts normally follow. So again, it's just a waiting game. It's good to see Shiba Inu above its major resistance and now using it as support. But we're still waiting on this golden cross. I do believe we're going to carry on seeing a upward trajectory until we actually do get this golden cross, and then we should actually start to blast through some of these resistance levels. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you like my video, please leave a comment, and if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button.